Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with adding multiple photos on your Instagram story? Well, if you are, then don't worry. This video is here to help you. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. Without any further ado, let's jump right into our video. The first thing here we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Instagram app, you'll be able to see various options. On the top, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Here, you'll have to tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. After tapping on it, here you'll be able to see all the videos and pictures from your gallery. Here on the top, you'll be able to see option select. Here, you'll have to tap on select. And now you can choose multiple pictures to post on your Instagram story. Here I will be choosing about 3. And after choosing, tap on next. After that, you can change your layout or separate the videos as per your liking. This layout is pretty good enough for me and it's very much to my liking, so I will be going with it. If the layout is not to your liking, then you can easily change it. Right beside the layout icon, here you'll be able to see text icons, stickers and so on. Here we will not be going towards them, and to post the story, you'll have to tap on your story. And as you can see, you have successfully added multiple photos on your Instagram story. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to add multiple pictures on Instagram story. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.